Want to keep your avatar private? In this video, I will show you how to prevent anyone from viewing your avatar in full size, step by step. To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile settings. On your profile page, tap your name at the top of the screen. Next, tap the Edit button below. Now, navigate to Privacy Settings. Under Who Can See My Profile section, tap Avatar. Here, you will find an option called Prevent Avatar Full Size View. Simply toggle the switch next to it to enable the feature. From now on, others will no longer be able to view your avatar in full size, they will only see a smaller version. When others tap on your avatar, they will see a message saying, "Unable to view the avatar in full size due to the user's privacy settings." This setting protects your privacy, by preventing others from viewing your avatar in full size. So that's how you can prevent full-size avatar view on IMO.